Hey y'all, hope y'all are well, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I rope twist on non-retwisted locks. Yes, non-retwisted locks. It's a quick way to get a rough retwist when you're short on time or just don't feel like it. And you also get a style at the same time. This usually takes me about 30 minutes or so. I'm working on damp hair, going in with my moisturizing spray, getting those roots, massaging everything in, and getting to the business. I tie my locks up and start at the back. I just feel my way through, I find a lock, find its closest neighbor, and start twisting. If you're working on non-retwisted locks like myself, it's key to separate the locks at the root first. You'll see me doing this in the video. This is also known as popping your locks. And then you also want to twist each lock on itself as you rope twist. This will discourage any further marrying between the locks as they dry. You'll also get some nice separation, similar to what you'd see from a retwist. You may find that when you do your rope twist, you'll come across some locks that are different lengths. For me, when this happens, I just keep rope twisting until I get to the end of the shorter lock, and then I wrap the longer lock back up the rope twist and secure it. I use rubber bands to carefully secure my ends. I flip the ends of my locks upwards because, first of all, it makes it so much easier to remove the rubber bands later. And second, it looks nice. Please do not secure your locks too tight, because when it's time to take them down, you gonna learn. Breakage. Can you say breakage, baby? You only need to loop those rubber bands enough to keep things in place without them falling off. For me, usually I only have to loop them about 1 or 2 times. Some people also like to soak the rubber bands in oil before using them to give them some extra slip. I'm assuming this also helps to limit the chance of breakage when removing the rubber bands. I don't do this. No reason really. I just don't feel the need to. But if you're more comfortable with soaking the rubber bands beforehand, please do so. So a quick backstory. I was actually in a bit of a rush when filming this. I was getting ready to head out an impromptu casual outing, but my hair was still not fully dried, and I needed a style to go out. And I also did not want to just leave my hair down because it was cold out. Heading out with damp hair is a no for me. The only time I do this is in the summertime. So I opted for rope twist. My hair would also dry faster in rope twist because there's more air circulation. And that's it. That's the backstory. Yes, I'm a Burna Boy fan. But hey, rope twist for the win because I essentially completed 3 tasks in one. I retwisted, kinda, I styled, and I sped up my air drying time. We work smarter over here, not harder. We're getting to the top now. We're almost done. Just a little loop-de-loop, a swoop-de-swoop, a bibbity-bobbity-boop. And we're all done. So what do you guys think? Would you try this out the next time you're in need of a retwist? Also, my hair was fully dried in less than 2 hours after leaving the house. Here's a close-up. You can see my scalp and all its glory. Plus, I wore a coat over this so the hood protected my hair from the cold. And we're all done. Yes, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I don't want to waste my time on negative people. Always the same thing, and you know they tie of a head. Oh, I'm keeping good vibes around. so bright.